So if you ever thought AI was scary, then you ain't had nothing yet. I'm about to show you what this new tool can do, and believe me, it can do stuff. It can do stuff. So first of all, let me open up a folder right here. Let me just open up a folder. So you go ahead and start up a new folder. Then you can go ahead and toggle the AI tool by pressing Ctrl L or just clicking right here, which will open it up on the side panel. So right here, I have all the AI models, but Claude and GPT-4 are premium, but it has its own base plan which comes with this. I've already used this up, but you get like 50 generations with both of this. So I'm just gonna go and set to that, and we're gonna do the whole, it's kind of done by everyone, the to-do app to test an AI model. So we're gonna do the same. So I'm gonna say create a to-do app application and use, what can I say? Use Tailwind CSS for the UI. I'm gonna leave the language to be its own choice and decide what it's gonna do. And yeah, let's see what it cooks up. So it will give you the rundown as always. Then it will start actually generating those files, which is insane. So just give it a few seconds and baboom, as you can see, it's actually writing these files. Then I can go ahead and look at them and say, this looks okay, accept this change. So as you can see, it's actually editing a file that is already created. So you will see from down here, 2 files need review. You can go ahead and review them individually, or you can just say accept all if you're okay with that. I'm gonna say accept all, and it has created nothing in the style sheets, an index. Okay, not bad. So let's now go and open up this index.html and see what exactly it cooked up. So okay, we have a to do. So let me say create a tutorial. That's my to do. Add task, boom. Add another task for buy tomatoes. Damn, add task. So maybe let's add some more features into this. Let's add features into this. Can it delete? Yes, it can. Let's add more features to this. Maybe let me say, okay, let's add an edit feature to the to-do, and it will actually edit the code that you actually created. So no, you did not create it, that is actually created. So it's actually editing the app.js to include that functionality that you needed. So the one thing I've noticed with it though is if something is complex enough, it kind of starts getting confused and starts forgetting that it did what before. But for small tasks, it's relatively Gucci. Yeah. So let's go ahead, check that out again. Refresh. Okay, so I do notice also you lose the data if you refresh. Add, edit. Nice, absolutely nice. Crave lemons. What are those? Don't know. But you kind of do lose the functionality once you have edited it once, which is not great. But let me go ahead and try something else. So I'm just gonna delete all of this. I'm gonna say create something useful. Create a user authentication into a day planner app. Okay, so you need a basic user interface and a way to register the users. So let me see what it's gonna cook up right here. I did not specify what it was gonna use for the user interface, so it could be the ugliest or the most impressive looking. Who knows? We'll find out. So it's thinking. No, it's not fair to say this is actually thinking. It is generating. I think thinking is a stretch. So no database. So where is it saving this data though? Okay, so let's go ahead and test and see how this goes. So refresh this. So the register and login are on the same page. I don't know. It's a choice. Okay, and password register. Registration successful. Okay. Okay, password. Login successful. That's it. So I was gonna get redirected to like a dashboard. Interesting. Back at it again. Let's go. Okay. Create a beautiful dashboard with Daisy UI to redirect to phone login. Also have register and logins separate, but have navigation through the pages. Okay, let that cook. Okay. This is actually insane. I mean, the thing that is scary about the AI is that right now this is not impressive, but if you think about it, ChatGPT wasn't impressive either when it first came out. Well, it was, but not that much. So if you imagine that this is on the earlier stages of this particular IDE, I don't know what they will have 2 years from now. How much progress will they have made 2 years from now? With the way AI is evolving, we could be cooked, but I could also be wrong because in larger projects it kind of chokes up. So maybe we are safe. Who knows? Maybe. So let me accept this all. So we have those. Let me refresh this. Fine. Okay. Jesus. In conclusion, AI sucks. The tool is called Windsurf. It's an IDE. Link will be in the description or on the screen right now. If you like my content, subscribe and do all that good stuff. Comment down below what you think about this AI tool. And let me see you all in the next one. Stay hydrated. Peace out.